What's the best Jamaican restaurant in Toronto? We ask you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in Toronto.
All right, we're going up to Canada, Toronto, Canada, as they like to say, Toronto, Canada. And what is the best local Jamaican patty shop or bakery in Toronto? It is Randy's Takeout. Congratulations to Randy's. And the best place to buy your Jamaican groceries in Canada that you voted number one, it's Starfish Caribbean Market. And the best local Jamaican restaurant in Toronto is Simone's Caribbean Restaurant. And the best Jamaican Caribbean event that you attended this year, Toronto Jerk Festival. Congratulations to all our winners in Toronto.